Hello everyone. We have ordered one decorative water fountain from Amazon. So it comes in two pieces. One is the bowl where we put water inside this bowl, and another is the main decorative piece. You can look over it. We have ordered a very one leaf is there and 3 pots are there, 4 pots are there rather, 5 pots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pots are there. There's along with this pot where we fill water, this is one piece, this is second piece. Along with this, we also received one pump attachments where we can put this electric wire over here. Here, if you look over here, there we are having this pipe. This pipe is there, and 2 LED lights are there. So they have already fixed it to this connection to LED lights. They are already fixed it when we got this piece. Only one thing we have to do. This is the pump. You can see this hole is there in the pump, and we have to fix it in this pipe. This pipe is there, we have to fix in this pipe, and we have to fully submerge this pump inside the water so that it remains under the water when we start on the supply. So as I will repeat again, these 2 LED lights, they are already connected when we receive the supply. Only this pump, this portion, you can see this is a sort of a pipe attached to this small pipe, and this is a switch. This is the switch. This is the small pipe, and we have to put it inside this pipe. This pipe will take the water on the top pot. So I am fixing over it. You can have a look. In fact, the size of this pump, size of this diameter of this will slightly less than this this plastic pipe over here, so that it gets inserted properly in that pipe. So now you can see I have inserted this pipe inside this thing, inside this pipe. Okay, and now we have to fix it somewhere over here so that it remains inside this. Okay. थोड़ा पानी लाओ.